Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. AJ here, Richardson Tree Farms. Out here today with the tractor. This is the l4060 limited edition. It's, like I've said before, limited edition because it's got less features than the regular l4060. One of them is this right here, the cruise control switch. Went down to the local parts dealer, picked it up. It was about $90. Let's see if we can get us a part number there. So, let's take a look here. It's pretty simple. Not much to it. Cruise. Looks like it's yeah, there's two there. So, subtract and cancel is two different functions on that side. We're going to see what it takes to put it in real quick. I'm going to try not to cut this video so that way you guys kind of have a real-time idea of what it costs or what it takes time-wise to put it in. So up underneath the dashboard here is supposed to be the wiring harness. I already looked at it, checked it out. It's there. Yeah, it's up there with a zip tie. So I'm gonna go grab a pair of cutters out of the barn real quick and cut it. See if we can pop this little plate out right here. I'll be right back. Okay, so first things first, we need to get that plug exposed here, and it's right up underneath this dashboard. Okay. So, there's our plug-in. Mates right up to it. Next thing, got the little cover right here, which I think comes out like that. I truly can't believe it was that easy. Yeah, it's a whopping 3 minutes, $90 for that switch. A little pricey, I must say, but plug in and all that, it's part of Kubota's thing. So let's hop on it and see what it does. Make sure it works. So one of the main reasons that wanted to put the cruise control on the tractor here is because our transplanter and tilling, all that good stuff, I want to go at one constant speed through there. So we'll set it up, and now we'll be able to just nice and easy go right through there, no problem. So let's see what we got. Okay, so our cruise control switch. We got everything picked up here. I'm just going to leave it at idle so that way we can kind of get an idea. down in Rabbit there. Yep. Hit the treadle pedal, it stops, shuts itself off. Will not do it in reverse. So, the installation of our cruise was really easy, to be honest with you. Yeah, main thing's just finding that little spot up underneath the dashboard. Let me see if I can show you where it was here real quick. Alright, that white connector right there, that's the connector there that it was actually attached to. It was zip tied right to the side of it. So, yeah, that was easy. So, until next time, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully, we're going to have some Boy Scouts out here helping us plant some trees. Had to move it up a little bit just because we got some rain coming in, etc. So, yeah, we'll get some trees planted here real quick. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, or at least the thumbs up for me. I'd greatly appreciate that. And we'll see you next time.